This scrunchie takes only 5 minutes to make because it is one of the easiest method of making a scrunchie, and I will show you how. All you need are any material of your choice, a measuring tape, a scissors, and elastic tape. This satin fabric measures 26 inches by 5.5. That is the measurement I'll be using. You can go ahead and use any measurement of your choice depending on the size you're going for. Now we are going to fold that fabric into two, just like this. After folding it, you are going to take an inch measurement up and an inch measurement down. We're going to sew all the way from the starting point of the 1 inch up, and we'll take half an inch to sew all the way down and stop at the 1 inch measuring point that we took down. After sewing it, turn it out. Now the right side facing out. I'll be using a safety pin to help me turn it with ease. So you can go ahead and use any tool that will help you turn that without any stress. After turning it, you are going to join the two ends together with the right side facing the right side. And it should look like this after sewing. Just go ahead and flip that. When you flip it, you will still see that 1 inch that we did not sew. This is where it's going to come in handy. Measure out 7 inches elastic tape. Use your safety pin to pass it through that space all the way round. If you're stopping by on this channel for the first time and you love DIY, you're welcome. Please go ahead and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to leave your notification bell on so that whenever I upload any DIY tutorial, you will be notified. And for you all my stars helping to grow this channel and supporting me, I really appreciate you all. You can knot the elastic band or you stitch it down with a sewing machine. I'll go ahead and stitch it with a sewing machine. After stitching, you are going to get your scrunchie looking like this. Go ahead and close that space. You can stitch that down with a sewing machine or by hand. I prefer to use a sewing machine though, but the hand method is always neater if you use the invisible sewing. After sewing, your scrunchie is ready. You can go ahead and sew more in other colors and different sizes. You can make lots of this in a day because it is so easy to make. You can as well sell this too. Also, a simple gift idea. Will you be trying this scrunchie? Let's meet in the comment section. Don't forget to check my other DIY videos out.